Grime Slayer 2024. Conquer the toughest stains with Leebein Spin Scrubber. Why does cleaning always feel like a battle? You've scrubbed, sprayed, and scoured, yet the soap scum clings to your tiles, the grout remains grimy, and your back protests every inch of effort. Is there a way to banish stubborn stains without bending, kneeling, or sweating through the task? Enter the Leebein 2024 Electric Spin Scrubber, a revolutionary cleaning tool designed to make dirt disappear. With its remote control, adjustable angles, and 8 specialized brush heads, it's not just a scrubber, it's your secret weapon against filth. Ready to transform the way you clean? The quest for a spotless home starts here. The weapon of choice for every cleaning mission. The Leebein Spin Scrubber is no ordinary cleaning brush. With 4 adjustable angles and 2 spin speeds, 350 RPM for delicate jobs, 450 RPM for tough stains, it's versatile enough to tackle anything from bathroom tiles to kitchen floors. The remote control lets you adjust settings without bending over, saving your back and knees. From floors to ceilings, this scrubber handles it all, making cleaning faster, easier, and even a little fun. Why struggle with old-school tools when Leebein equips you with the ultimate grime-fighting gadget? Brush heads for every battlefront. Tough stains require tailored tools, and Leebein delivers. Its 8 interchangeable brush heads ensure you've got the right tool for every surface. Use the dome brush for tubs, the flat brush for walls, and the corner brush for those tricky grout lines. Even glass and wooden floors are no match for the soft sponge pad and cloth attachment. Made from durable, scratch-resistant materials, these brushes are built to last. With Leebein, cleaning becomes efficient and satisfying, because the right tools make all the difference. No power? No problem. Worried about running out of juice mid-clean? Leebein's 2500 mAh dual battery charges in just 2.5 hours and provides up to 90 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning. The USB-C fast charge ensures you're always ready for the next round, while the LED indicator keeps you informed. Whether it's a single bathroom or the whole house, this scrubber's stamina outlasts your to-do list. Reliable, rechargeable, and always ready, Leebein ensures you'll never lose your cleaning momentum. Why settle for less? Leebein means quality and peace of mind. Leebein's 2024 Electric Spin Scrubber isn't just effective, it's a long-term ally in your fight against dirt. Made with high-end materials and backed by a 2-year extended warranty, this tool is built to endure. Its sleek design, powerful motor, and thoughtful features set it apart from the competition, offering incredible value for the price. With every scrub, you're saving time, energy, and frustration. Why settle for mediocre results when Leebein guarantees a spotless finish every time? The grime stops here, because you deserve a cleaner home and an easier life.